going to start a new topic today, which is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Okay. Today, we're only going to talk about arithmetic progression. So O-levels may, you've already done arithmetic progression, although we did not call it arithmetic progression back then, but you're very familiar with this. Are you familiar with this sequence? 3, 5, 7. Right? Looks familiar? What topic was this? Odd numbers, ठीक है. क्या topic होता था?
Arithmetics.
Sequence.
Yes,
You used to call it arithmetic sequence back in O-levels as well. Achha, that's very good if that's how your teacher taught it. Yes, so you remember this from O-levels. What would be the next term? And the next term?
13, 15.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. And we would find the nth term for this sequence, and then we could find the 20th term or the 100th term using that nth term formula. Remember the nth term formula for this one? Un, which represents the nth term. What would be the nth term formula for this?
N plus 1 whole square.
9.
Miss, A1 plus N minus 1 into difference.
Yes, A plus B N minus 1. Where A used to be the first term, which is 3 in this case. D is the common difference. Common, as in this writing.
2n plus 1 भी इसकी टर्म थी ना, क्वाड्रेटिक की.
ये क्वाड्रेटिक तो नहीं है.
नहीं, इसी तरह का एक फॉर्मूला था ना, 2n प्लस.
मुझे याद नहीं है. 2n plus 1 तो नहीं था. don't know why it's not letting me write. I'm trying to write common difference here. Okay, that's common difference. Okay, so let's find the nth term formula for this. Un is going to be A is 3 in this question. D, the common difference is 2 times n minus. Right. So that's the formula for the nth term for an arithmetic progression. This year, apart from using the nth term formula, you will also use a formula that gives you the sum of the first n terms. For example, S4 would mean sum of the first 4 terms, which would be 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Similarly, S8 would be sum of first 8 terms, which would be 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15, and the remaining terms added to that. Okay. So there's a formula for Sn, the sum of the first n terms. What is this? Sum of first n terms, which is half times n plus a plus l. Now you know what is n, it's the number of terms, and a is the first term and l is the last term. Now this formula is used when you have the first term and the last. But sometimes you won't have the last term. When the last term is not given, that instead you use this formula, half times n, or n over 2. Let's just write n over 2 instead of half times n. Over here, I'm also writing n over 2. So it's n over 2, bracket 2a plus d n minus 2a plus d bracket n minus 1. This is the formula if you don't have the last term. You just have the number of terms, like 30 terms ka sum find karna. So n would be 30. A would be the first term of the sequence and D would be the common difference of the sequence. Right? So you need to know the formula for nth term, both the formulas for sum of first n terms. Okay. Although it's given in the formula sheet as well. Have I sent you guys the formula sheet that you'll have in the exam?
No, miss.
Okay, I'll send it to you. This formula is there. I mean, all these three formulas are there. All right. Sure. Let's say you're giving 3 terms and you're told that these are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Instead of arithmetic progression, I'm writing AP. So if you're given 3 terms and you're told that these are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, form an equation connecting A, B, and C. All right. Let me just write a random sequence. Let's say starts with 2, then 5, and so on. Okay. Let's take any 3 consecutive terms. Let's take these 3. These are 3 consecutive terms. If I need to join these 3, 14, 11, and 8 in an equation, that would be 14 minus 11 gives us the same difference as 11 minus 8. Is that correct? So you'll get 3 here and 3 here. So this is a correct equation. Right? The difference between 14 and 11 is the same as the difference between 11 and 8. So that you can equate them. All right. Similarly, if we talk about the next 3 consecutive terms, which would be 17, 20, and 23, and we're asked to form an equation using these 3, then who can tell me what's going to be the equation that has 17 in it, 20 in it, and 23 in it? Difference same होता है ना consecutive terms का. So whatever is the G, Aisha, you're saying something?
Miss 20 minus 17 equals 23 minus 20.
And that's correct. That's the correct way of equating 17, 20, and 23 in an equation. Okay, I'm going to write another 3 terms, and Azhar, I expect you to give me the answer this time. So 26. Yes. These are 3 consecutive terms. Can you write these as an equation? Can you write them as an equation?
32 minus 26.
Okay, equals
6.
नहीं, हमने एक ऐसी इक्वेशन बनानी है जिसमें 26 भी आए, 29 भी आए और 32 भी आए. बाकी 2 में देखो ना क्या किया है. 8, 11, 14 में क्या किया है, 17, 20, 23 में क्या किया है, वही करना है इधर. जल्दी से देख के बताओ.
एक second. नंबर्स सेम हो सकते हैं या हमने डिफरेंट
बेटा यही तीन
जैसे
नंबर्स हो सकते हैं, 26,
एक ही नंबर
29, 32। दो साइड पे कोई एक नंबर सेम होगा, जैसे हमें इधर नजर आ रहा है। आयशा आप बताओ।
Plus 29 minus 26 equals 32 minus 29.
अजहर यहाँ क्या किया?
अ, हमने थे-
इन दो
दो
का डिफरेंस निकाला है।
29 को कॉमन
नहीं, इन दो का
लगे दोनों
डिफरेंस निकाला है और इन दो का डिफरेंस निकाला है, और कहा है कि वो इक्वल होंगे, क्योंकि दोनों का डिफरेंस 3 होगा, इन दोनों का और इन दोनों। ठीक है,
ठीक
अब नेक्स्ट बताओ। Fact, I'm going to take any three consecutive term from here. One is 23, next is 26, next is 29. Form an equation that has all these three values.
26 minus 23
Hmm.
is equals
Equal,
to 29 minus 26.
ठीक है. So if we have three terms, three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, you can take difference of the first two, take difference of the last two, and equate them, right? Okay, keep this in mind and give me the answer for this. If three consecutive terms of an AP are A, B, and C, form an equation connecting A, B, and C. Okay, कौन बताएगा? These are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, meaning the difference of these two would be the same as the difference of these two. Now please form an equation.
Miss B minus A equals C minus B.
That's correct. B minus A is equals to C minus B. All right, now we have like terms on both sides. Bring it to the same side. We get 2B equals C plus A. And this is good. Azhar, did you understand this?
मैम क्वेश्चन वापस रिपीट कर दूं?
समझ आया ये?
यस मैम.
ठीक है, अब आप मुझे बताओ, if the three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression are x, y, and z instead, form an equation that has x, y, and z in it.
Y minus x
Equals,
is equals to z minus y.
that's correct. Bring like terms together, so we get 2y equals z plus x.
Z plus.
Okay. All right, let's move on. Okay, I'm going to write an arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression is question 1, part A. The arithmetic progression is 3, 9, 15, then many terms in between, and the last term is 525. Okay, that's an arithmetic progression. Starts with 3, 9, 15, some terms in between, and the last term is 252. The question is, find the number of terms. How many terms are these in total? Number of terms का क्या मतलब है? What do we have to find?
मैम पहले डिफरेंस निकाल लें इन सबका.
Okay, what's the difference?
6.
6. So D is 6. D is 6. What else do we know?
Miss my last term.
First term is 3. A is 3. Right. Also, we know the last term. Fine. How do we find कि इसमें कितनी टर्म्स हैं, ये 12 टर्म्स हैं, 15 टर्म्स हैं, 32 टर्म्स है 525 तक, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे?
मिस जो सम एस एन वाला फॉर्मूला है उसमें ये डिटेल्स डाल के
Okay, so let's just take a look if that's right or wrong. Yes, you're saying that we're going to use the formula Sn is equals to n over 2a plus l, right? Okay,
yes miss.
n is what you have to find. Don't copy this yet. 2 is 2, a is 3, and the last term is 525. You also don't know what's the sum of all these terms. So there are two missing values there. Sn is not there and n is not there. So you can't use this equation. ठीक है, या तो सम गिवन होता तो फिर हम ये इक्वेशन यूज कर लेते. सम इज नॉट गिवन, सो देन वी कांट यूज दिस. Instead, you use this formula of the nth term. The nth term is a plus b n minus 1, right? So let's use this one, 525, and the number of term is n, and n is what we're trying to find. 525 is the nth term, and we need the value of n. So a is 3, d is 6 times n minus 1. Give me the value of n, please. Take 3 to the other side, subtract, take 6 to the other side, divide, and then take minus 1 to the other side. So 525 minus 3
86.
divided by 6 and answer plus 1. 86, let me check. Isn't it 88?
Sorry, 88. वो -1 ही कट रहा है.
Yes, 88.
88. So n is 88. ये जो 525 है ये 88 टर्म है. ठीक है, अब क्लियर हुआ कि एस एन में यूज करना था, क्योंकि एस एन में ऑल्दो लास्ट टर्म है बट उसमें एस एन भी तो पता होना चाहिए, विच वी डोंट नो. ठीक है, तो यू एन यूज कर लिया. अब 525 यूज कर लिया यू एन की जगह, और वो हमें बता देगा कि इसकी टर्म, नंबर ऑफ टर्म ये कौन सी है. सो इट्स द 88. ओके, नाउ आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन. So let's find the same for another sequence. Eight, 2, -4, and the last term is -202. Same question. Case इस sequence में कितनी terms है अगर हम -202 तक जा रहे. Okay, so yes, Azhar, what do we do? क्या करें?
वही फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे.
ठीक है, nth term का, which is what?
Yes.
Nth term is
A plus B bracket -1
n minus.
and minus.
So substitute the values, please.
एक सेकेंड.
इसका n चाहिए ना, इस वाले का n.
नहीं, यस.
इसका n
20 -202
हाँ, -202 equals,
-6
no, a is not -6. What's a?
-6 नहीं होगा. 2
First term.
-8.
Azhar, a first term. d होता है ना. हाँ.
8
8,
-6
ठीक है, bracket
bracket
n
n minus.
Okay, now please use the algebra that you know and give me the value. Both of you tell me what answers do you get. Part B by
203.
n is 203. अच्छा अजय कैसे आया 203? क्या किया?
मैम 8 को लेफ्ट साइड पे ले गए,
क्या
माइनस हो गया,
ठीक है तो -202 -8
तो
ठीक है फिर
-210 हो गया, उसको फिर +6 कर दिया।
नहीं +6 नहीं होगा। You
अच्छा
have
हाँ, डिवाइड
this 210 equals -6 times n minus divide होगा। क्या बनेगा डिवाइड होगा?
35 +36
-35 equals n -1 ओके फिर
35 प्लस -35 + 1 -34
+35 है और माइनस माइनस तो कैंसिल होगा। So n would be 36. Any questions, Aisha?
No, miss.
Okay. Part C, same question. Part C. Let's first term is 3x, the second term is 7x, the next term is 11x, and the last term is 43x. Okay. Which term is 43x? Aisha क्या करेंगे? First term is this, second term is this, third term is this, but which term is 43x? जी आयशा क्या करेंगे?
मैं nth टर्म के फॉर्मूला में डालेंगे।
Yes, which is un equals a plus b bracket n minus 1. Substitute कराओ।
मैं 3x
nth term की जगह क्या लिखेंगे इसकी तरफ?
मैं 43x
ठीक है equals
and 3x plus 4
plus d is not 4, it's 4x. ठीक है d is 4x, so 4x bracket n minus 1. Okay, now give me the value of n. What do you get?
Miss 11
Azhar, what did you get?
मैम 11
11 ही आया। ठीक है, all right. Question number 2. Find the
हम
sum.
इसमें अभी हम वही कर रहे हैं जो हमने IG4 में रिपीट किया था, पुराने वाले जो कि क्वेश्चंस।
समझ नहीं आई कि आईजी के क्वेश्चंस है ये पूछ।
यस मैम,
कॉन्सेप्ट तो वही है, बिल्कुल वही कॉन्सेप्ट है। फिलहाल
डिफरेंस क्या?
अभी आ रहा है ना सम का फॉर्मूला, ठीक है अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 SN वो तो नहीं पढ़ा था वो देखो,
यस मैम।
ठीक है। ये तो बिल्कुल बेसिक है ना इस टॉपिक का। अब आगे आगे एडवांस करते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन 2 is find the sum of first 20 terms of the sequence 2, 5, 8 and then dot 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 dot. What do we do here? Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the sequence 2, 5, 8 and dot dot dot. क्या करें? Which formula will we use? Sum formula or UN, the nth term formula? We have to find sum of the first 20 terms. We have to use the sum formula. S20 find that. All right. And you have two options for the sum formula. One is n by 2 a plus l, the last term. And the other one is n by 2 2a plus b bracket n minus 1 bracket bracket. Which one do we use?
Miss, the second one.
Because we don't have the last term of the sequence given to us. अगर होती तो हम पहला वाला use करते. Okay. Other values apply करवाओ.
The and सम की जगह हम 20 लिखेंगे।
S20
S20
हाँ equals
is n/2
n तो पता है कितनी terms का
and
sum find करें.
20
हाँ n is 20. So 20 by 2 bracket
2 into 2
ठीक है.
plus 3
हम्म
into 20 minus 1
ठीक है शाबाश. Give me the sum of the first 20 terms.
uh, 610
What did you get, Aisha?
मिस मेरा भी यही है.
610. Okay. Okay. I'm changing the question now. Instead of first 20 terms, it's first 15 terms and the sequence is also changed. 15 terms and the sequence is 4, 11 and 18. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to do this on your own and tell me what answers you get.
मैम फॉर्मूला s is equals to n by 2 into
A
a
plus
था
2A plus DN minus.
2
मैं लिखा क्यों नहीं है पहले फॉर्मूला?
795.
That's correct. Aishwarya, did you get the same answer?
Yes.
Oh. All right, I'm again changing the question. This would be part C of question 2. So find the sum of the first 40 terms, and the sequence is A, 5A, 9A, and dot, 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 dot. We have 3.5 minutes left of the class. अगर ये खत्म हो जाता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो ये homework का question है. So please copy it if you need to. In fact, I'll just send a screenshot. No need to copy it.